Jom saya bawa tunjuk banglo dekat Kemensah yang ada private pool dengan man-made lake just beside. Sumpah best. Let's go. Banglo dekat Kemensah ni jenis 3 story with private lift dengan swimming pool, tapi 3 story dia downwards. Dengan carport area ni should fit dalam 6 ke 8 biji kereta. Jom kita tengok dalam dia. Going inside ni you will have this entrance area dengan cara turun melalui spiral staircase ni. But on this floor itself, you guys will have private lift dengan master bed right beside. So the master bed ni very spacious juga. You will have a wardrobe area, then a balcony, and also a glass wall toilet. Right now we are going to the first lower ground where you have 2 living area, satu sini, another one situ. On this part of the area you will have a tandas dengan dapur, and ruang dapur dia just nice lah. Dekat second living area dia memang sumpah luas gila guys. Tengoklah betapa luasnya ruang area ni. Spot ni sesuai kalau buat family praying area sebab sebelah dia dah lah balcony, and then tempat ni adalah planter box, tapi boleh juga buat tempat duduk. Macam menarik lah. On the lowest floor you will have a maid's room kat situ, and all the 4 bedrooms just beside. When you exit the lift you will have this door to access ke pool dengan yard dekat sebelah. For the bedrooms tu, you'll find 2 bedrooms here, the 2 bedrooms there. Tapi kita tunjuk bedrooms yang paling lawa je lah sebab view ni, view betul-betul dekat center pool guys. Dekat ruang pool ni lah tempat paling soothing gila guys. Sebab you guys boleh dengar that natural sound of water flowing, and you guys boleh access juga through the stairs there and have all these amenities just beside your house.